War, a force that has shaped civilizations and toppled empires. From the clashing of swords in ancient times to the technological marvels of modern conflicts, the evolution of warfare is a tale of strategy, ingenuity, and human resilience. War began as a struggle for survival. Early humans fought with rudimentary tools, often in small, chaotic skirmishes. But as societies grew, so did the scale and complexity of warfare. The rise of organized warfare marked a turning point. Armies became larger, and the emphasis shifted from individual bravery to collective strategy. Leaders like Alexander the Great and Sun Tzu revolutionized how battles were fought, prioritizing tactics and leadership. Geography and terrain played pivotal roles. At Thermopylae, a narrow mountain pass became the stage for one of history's most famous last stands. A small Greek force, led by King Leonidas, held off the massive Persian army, using the terrain to their advantage. At Gaugamela, Alexander the Great's innovative tactics, including the use of a wedge formation, dismantled the far larger Persian forces. Such battles demonstrated how strategy could triumph over sheer numbers. The tools of war evolved rapidly. Simple weapons like spears and bows gave way to siege engines and chariots. Armies adopted formations like the phalanx, where soldiers moved as a unified wall of shields and spears, and the Roman testudo, a formation designed to protect against arrows. As civilizations expanded, so did the ambitions of their leaders. The medieval period saw the rise of empires, each striving for dominance through conquest. The Vikings brought terror to the coasts of Europe with their swift raids, while the Normans' disciplined knights reshaped the art of mounted warfare. Castles became symbols of power and defense, prompting the development of siege warfare. Weapons like trebuchets, battering rams, and even early forms of gunpowder were used to breach these formidable fortresses. At Agincourt, the English longbow changed the course of history. Its range and power allowed a smaller English force to decimate a larger French army, highlighting how technology could tip the scales of battle. From ancient battlefields to the rise of empires, each era of war brought new challenges and innovations. The strategies, weapons, and leaders of these conflicts laid the foundation for the wars of the modern age. War is a reflection of humanity's greatest strengths and darkest impulses. By understanding its evolution, we gain insight into the forces that have shaped our world.